This video will show you how to program a lock for the Opendoor door locking system. You will need with you your authorization card, installation card and clock card. Firstly, you will need to open the software and log in using a username and password. Next, click on Hotel Layout Setting on the left side and click Room Setting. Place your installation card on the encoder and select the room you would like to install. Then click Issue Room Installation Card on the right and click Save. The encoder will then beep to signal that a card has been encoded. Then go to Check-in Management and click Check-in. With your card still on the encoder, a pop-up window will appear to show the card information. On the pop-up window, check that the card is indeed an installation card. Following this, go to the lock that you wish to program. First, you'll need to present the authorization card on the lock as shown. After this, present the installation card on the lock. Next, present the authorization card, followed by the clock card. Finally, test the lock with a freshly cut guest card.